Yes, in this tutorial I'll be teaching how to make use of frame. This is a frame. Let me show you something. This is a frame, this particular image here. Let's zoom in better. This particular image, this is a frame. The moment you click on it, this is a frame too. And then if you need that particular frame, you once you click on it, it has changed to a cross. And from that cross, you want to make a frame so that this image will be inside so that it doesn't move. So let's draw. I want to make it only on my face like this. I want the image to be inside. The moment you draw that frame, you come to your layer section. In this layer now, you see this box selected. It means that this particular image is now inside the frame. So it will remain in there, but you can still move the picture around. Let's try that and see. Come to your selection tool. If you want to move the image, you can still move the image because it's still inside the frame like that. To any position you are trying to change position. So that is how the frame tool works. Without no waste of time, we'll dive into the next tool, the eyedropper tool here, and then we'll still talk about some of these tools. Right click. We will not talk about it all now, but as time goes on, we'll be reaching out